What is up, guys? Right now I'll be unboxing the Logitech G502 Hero right here with this knife. So moving in, I'm going to start cutting it up and taking it out of the box, and then but I'm going to cut to the part where it's already out. So after struggling for 7 minutes, I actually got it out. So now, as you can see, I'm going to pull it out with one hand. This might look really wrong, but it's not. So now here's the mouse pad. It came with a mouse pad, which is I forgot the name of it, but it's the Logitech mouse pad, and this is a mouse. So let's put that to the side and let's focus on the unnecessary things. Actually, I'll just show you the mouse again, but we're focusing on the unnecessary things, which is the mouse pad. Well, the only thing I can say about it is that it's a mouse pad, and it's soft. Well, it feels like a mouse pad. So now putting that aside, and my knife aside. I'm not gonna stab that, so don't worry. Then let's take the mouse, and yeah. Now you got another unnecessary thing. It's called a manual. Who reads that? Nobody. Now you got another thing. It's another manual. Nobody gives a shit. Throw them away. Actually, yeah, I recommend reading them because I needed to read them after. But here are more unnecessary things such as weights. I don't know if you'll find them necessary, but I certainly did not, because one of them just got stuck inside my mouse after. So I'll cut to the part where I actually open the thing. So once I actually opened it, here are the weights. Each weight is 3.6 grams. So, and I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weights. 3.6 times 5. Well, you do the math, because I'm too lazy to. Okay, so these are weights. There's nothing special about them because they're weights. And put them aside. Now let's go into the big part of the show, the mouse. So the mouse is the mouse. I mean, what else can I say? It got a scroll wheel, and it's a mouse. Yeah, and it has buttons, and you click stuff with it. So, yeah, it has a bunch of buttons. Moving on. In general, the mouse is actually pretty decent, I'm not going to lie. The mouse's grip is pretty nice, and also has a sensor. And this is a manual. It tells you how to plug it in, and this is basically the mouse plugged in. And yeah, it's a good mouse. I would recommend it.